Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get this in no time. This is coming from Lenovo. I do believe that's how you pronounce it. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime Days mega sale is coming on the 15th and the 16th, so keep this one in your wish list. IdeaCentre. I did a little pre-opening. I'm not sure what this exactly is, but it came with that little box. Looks like a monitor. So I'm gonna put you guys down for a sec, and we'll see what this is. So thank you guys at Lenovo. Hope I pronounced it right. Like I said, YouTubers, there's going to be some crazy sales going on. And you can take advantage right now, too. I believe this is an early bird sale. What is this? Look at this. Huh. How do I take this apart? I don't want to damage it. I'm going to pause you guys. I'll be right back. Holy moly, it's a all-in-one desktop. This is a Lenovo all-in-one desktop. Look how weird it looks. So smooth. Stand threw me off. I'm like, never seen a desktop like this one. So I'm going to tell you guys the specs once I set it up and running it. Intel Pentium, Windows 10. Oh, this is nice. We have 3 USBs, 1 HDMI, Ethernet, and then it comes with a keyboard. Ooh, baby. Oh yeah, this is definitely a nice one. Yeah, I'm gonna have it all running on this video, so I'm gonna try not to make it too long. Here's all the goodies, the power cords, the mouse. I got my own mouse I'm going to be using. Oh wow. So this is IdeaCentre A340. Alright. Not sure what this is. Oh, that's to hold your cables together on the stand. So, alright. And we got the power supply right there. The mouse, everything there. Keyboard there. And YouTubers, I'll be back all set up and we'll see how smooth it runs and everything. Alrighty, here we go. We got it pretty much set up for now. I got a lot to clean up after this. Straighten out a little bit more. But right now we got it running. And you can tilt the screen too, so it's pretty sweet. Definitely take advantage of the sale going on right now. Take advantage of the early Prime Day offerings they got going on. So I'll leave the link down below. I know I'm going to have to enter a lot of info and downloads and all that good stuff. So like I said, this is my keyboard, and that's the keyboard that they sent. But I'm going to use this one and my mouse too. So sit tight and I'll be back. Everything screen looks really nice. Wow. New family member today. Alright. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here she is. The Lenovo IdeaCentre A340 221 GM 21-inch touchscreen. All-in-one Intel Pentium Silver. 4 gigs memory. 1 terabyte hard drive. This thing's sweet. Really smooth. Got the touch sensitive. As you can see right there. I still got to set up my McAfee, but I think I'm going to use the free trial version of, I forgot what system they have, but I'm going to give it a try. It's for like 6 months for free, so I had to set that up, but hooked up the printer, did that wirelessly, and pretty much got everything onto that TV, and then got this set up now. So, but let's take a look. All the cool little things it could do. Xbox companion. It does. You can set up your Xbox. You just gotta hook up your info, and you can play games and stuff like that. Microsoft Edge. Power to go. Power DVD. I still gotta set it up. The updates, that takes a while, so that would took me probably like 2 or 3 hours. So it took forever though, it seemed like. But Cortina, you can hook up to her, Dolby Audio. We'll get into the settings, system. Let's see, storage. Change that. That's how much I used already. You have a tablet mode, multitasking, projecting to the PC. Alright, did that. Clipboard, I got devices. You can link up your Android or your iPhone to it. Gaming bar captures broadcasting. Let's see what else I could go into, show you guys. But so far, no issues. It's been running probably about an hour since all my updates. But going on the internet is easy. I'll do that next. I installed Firefox. There we go. Should pop up my tabs that I have up there. And we'll check out a video on YouTube. I want to see the picture quality to watch movies on and stuff like that. I can't show the movies just because of the copyright, but I'll show one of my videos. You guys can see the quality of it. Probably gonna turn off the lights in a second, but yeah, let's see something. But definitely take advantage of the Amazon Prime Days sale they got going on now. All you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship it out to you fast. Especially now with that 1 day shipping free. Okay, turn the volume off. We know what it sounds like. We can also adjust it like this, up all the way like that, to reduce the glare from the lights. You can put it down. Looks pretty good. Alright, I'm going to shut the light off. Here we go. Now let's see what it looks like. Just right there is good. And it's super lightweight too. And I like the how it holds up the desktop with that stand. But definitely really nice clarity. I'm sure gaming will be pretty good on this also. So, but more I do marketing and stuff, editing photos and other stuff on my computer. I got PS4 and Xbox for the gaming, but this is definitely a nice one to get. We got that, 2 TVs, got that going. So definitely happy with this one. So check them out, Lenovo on Amazon Prime. Link will be down below where you can get this one desktop at a low cost. Save some money right now. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime Days specials going on. And you'll get this definitely before Prime Day. So I think I showed you guys pretty much that's it. I mean, it's pretty simple. PC. It has a DVD burner, no Blu-ray, just DVD, HD, full HD, 1080p. Got the camera for Skype and everything. Got that. I'm not gonna use that, so I'm not gonna have it hooked up. What else do we got here? Fitbit Coach, Microsoft Office. But this will be great for anyone in the college dorms. Doesn't take up that much space. Small apartment, small office would be perfect. So always gotta have a backup computer too. You never know these days with these computers. But I mean, I think I covered pretty much everything that this computer has to offer. I mean, printing is easy, setting up was easy. Network right there, Wi-Fi you could do, update security. We got 1 terabyte and I showed that. Devices. Let's see if I can pull up devices. There it goes. Got my printer, scanners, Bluetooth, mouse, pen for your drawing tablets, Bluetooth and other devices, so you could hook up an extra speaker. And like I said, Android, iPhone, you can hook up to Xbox. And I'm not sure what else to show you guys. But other than this great deal going on, I think it's under $500. Double check the price though. It might be cheaper yet now because of the Prime Day. So that's about it, YouTubers. Definitely give them a shout out on Instagram, Twitter at Lenvino. And that's about it for tonight. Be safe, have a good day, and see ya.